Alright you guys, today we are here to do a walk around on my 2015 Mustang GT. As most of y'all know, my car is twin turboed. There is a lot of stuff done to it and I'll kind of go through that list here in a second. But it has two separate tunes to start off. There's an E54 tune and an E85 tune. So I'm not sure what it makes on E54, but that's the tune that I'm on right now. My E85 tune, I do make 938 rear wheel horsepower. That is why I have this fancy drag pack on. Okay, starting with the exterior, so we have the full Roush front fascia on this car. We also have a Cervini cowl hood on this. It needs to have the cowl hood on it because it does have a Boss 302 intake manifold, which sits higher than the stock manifold. There's a jet taking off, so we're gonna do our best for the rest of this. Alright, there's not much to look at from the side, but the main thing that I wanted to point out that it does have the Well Racing drag pack on it, so it does have 17x10 rears that are wrapped in the Mickey Thompson ET Street R's in the 305 45 17 tire size. The fronts are also Mickey Thompson. I believe the front wheels are 18 by 3.75, so it's got the skinny fronts and the fat backs. So we've got our Hoover plates on the back of here. I went with Freedom because I thought it went with the color scheme of the car, you know, I don't know. It looks good with the red taillights and the blue car here. There's not too much special going on here. We've got a factory steering wheel. So the red button here is our trans brake and the green button here is our bump stop. This is under the hood. As you can see, we've got that Boss 302 intake manifold. We've got our 4 Precision fuel rails. It's got a 4 Precision triple pump fuel kit in it. So a little bit more on the build. It does have the Hellion 62mm turbo kit on it. It is stock block, stock internals, which a lot of people are like, oh my god, why do you do that? The Gen 2 Coyote blocks are actually pretty good at handling up to 1,000, a little over 1,000 wheel horsepower, so I'm not too worried about it. The one thing that you want to worry about in this car is the automatic transmission. You'd want to worry about the manual transmission too, but that's another story. This came with a 6-speed automatic transmission. I believe the transmission in this car went out at 20,000 miles. So it has a fully built 6-speed automatic transmission in it. This transmission is built to handle the power that this car puts down. Let's see, it does have the oil pump gears, which is one thing that's known to fail on these cars. And what else? It's got full Vikings performance coilovers on it. I always have to pull out my build list. It's tuned by Arizona Elite Motorsports. Highly recommend them. It's got a Lund end gauge so that you can switch between those tunes. It does have ID 1050X injectors, custom 3-inch exhaust with MagnaFlow mufflers. Hate those. But I also can't find mufflers that I like. So, cradle lockout, vertical links, carbon fiber drive shaft, that's a big one. I don't know how I forgot about that. It does have Ford Racing 1500 horsepower axles underneath of it as well. Circle D 258mm torque converter. Oh, it does have a custom sound system actually in it. I don't think there's a thing that I hate about this car, honestly. I absolutely love it. It's funny because, like, this is my dream car. Like, I bought my dream car, which is really dumb to say because it's just a 2015 Mustang, but, like, this is a car that I've wanted for a really long time. It's something that I love. It's one of my dream cars. I definitely have plenty more. Some of the cars that I do want in the near future, I do want to get another Evo 10. I don't want to deal with the problems that I had before with my other Evo. I do want an RS6 Avant. That is one car that I'm like dying for. That car is absolutely gorgeous. One car that I've wanted since I was a little girl is actually 65 to 68 Mustang. Honestly, if I'm going for one of those, I will probably want to aim for a 69 Shelby because they're gorgeous. I'm Ford through and through if you can't tell. But anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment down below your favorite part of my build, I guess. I don't know. or what more you want to see on the channel. And then don't forget to turn on notifications for new videos. Thanks!